So today we're going to be completing the square to solve quadratic equations when a is equal to 1, aka when my lead coefficient is 1. So in this case, our example is going to be x squared plus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. I need to get the equation in this form, and in order to do so, I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides, and that's going to give me x squared plus 12x is equal to negative 32. My second step tells me I need to identify b and divide it by 2. So taking a look at our form, we have ax squared plus bx is equal to c, and we already put it in that form, where 1 is a, so we have 1x squared plus 12x is equal to negative 32. In this case, our b is 12. So b is equal to 12, and I'm going to divide it by 2. So I get 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Next, we're going to square the answer from step 2. So I get 6 squared is equal to 36. We're going to take 36 and we're actually going to add it back into this equation. So that's going to give me x squared plus 12x plus 36 is equal to negative 32 plus 36. Simplifying this, I get x squared plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 4. Now I need to factor the left side of the quadratic. So, knowing our special cases, I should know that this is x plus 6 times x plus 6, which is equal to 4. I can simplify this further knowing my properties of my exponents, and this is just x plus 6 squared, which is equal to 4. From here, we need to create both equations of x. And note that the number on the right side, because we will be square rooting, is going to be using the plus or minus symbol. So, I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 6 squared is equal to 4. I'm going to square root both sides and put the plus or minus symbol right here. So now this is going to give me x plus 6 is equal to plus or minus 2, because don't forget to square root the 4. And when I get both of my equations, that's going to give me x plus 6 equals 2 and x plus 6 equals negative 2. All we have to do now is solve for x. In order to do so, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Same thing for this equation. And in this first one, this is going to give me x is equal to negative 4. And the second one gives me x is equal to negative 8. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4 and negative 8. And that's on completing the square.